Good morning students. Welcome to class 4. Today we will continue with the same chapter. Chapter 6, plants in the surroundings and environment. Today we will see the different types of root. So roots are divided into two parts. The first one is taproot and the second one is fibrous root. First one is taproot and the second one is fibrous roots. Let us see what is difference between both the roots. So taproot, I have drawn the picture of taproot and this is the picture of fibrous roots. So you can see the difference between both the pictures. Let us see. Taproot, you can see a woody and single straight and thick root is coming out. This type of root is called taproot, and this type of root you can see some small roots grow at the end of the stem. So this type of root is called taproot. Let us see its definition. A single thick root from which some small roots grow at the end of the stem is called taproot. So in the taproot, one main root is there and from which some small roots grow out. Now come to fibrous roots. You can see in fibrous roots no main root is there, and in this root many thin bushy roots grow at the end of the stem. So this type of root is called fibrous roots. So let us see the definition. Many thin and bushy roots grow at the end of the stem is called fibrous root. Let us see the examples of both the roots. Beans, mustard and mangoes are the example of taproot. Similarly, rice, wheat and grass are the examples of fibrous roots. So this is the difference between taproot and fibrous root. Let us see the functions of the root. The first function of the root is roots fix the plants firmly in the soil. It means roots lie under the ground and it fixes the plant, and they prevent the plant from falling down. This is a very important function of the plant. Let us see second function. They take in water and minerals from the soil. It means roots absorb the water and minerals from the soil and it passes to the stem and other parts of the plants for making food. Let us see function number 3. Roots of some plants store food. It means the roots of the plant store some foods like carrot, radish and beetroot, and these foods we use in our daily life. So this is a very important function of the root. Now the last function, roots hold the soil it from being washed away by water and wind. It means roots prevent the soil from being washed away, and this is called erosion. So soil prevents from erosion, and this is also a very important function of the root. So in this way we have seen the different functions of the roots. Now we have already seen about the different types of roots, that is taproot, fibrous roots, and the functions of these both the roots. We have seen the examples of roots. So this is all about roots. So till then, thank you so much.